Hey guys, it's Jeff and Ben's Outdoors channel. Wanted to make a quick video of what happened last night. We had some really bad high winds, and there was some fires here in the community. This big old tree fell the right direction. Thank the Lord for that. And then this big old tree limb fell out of the top of that tree. It's big old huge tree limb. Then also right down here we had another top of a tree blowout. So I've got a mess on my hands today, and we may make a video of cleaning up some of it. Right there. Right down there's a big tree, and right here's a huge limb